is quite a change from what you had proposed, what at least the angle is, and you did state your reasons very well. I was kind of excited about your 2-point linear, but you kind of backed off of it from right here, I think. I'm wondering about the scale on these things. It looks to me like this is a huge sink if that's the size of the window. And maybe there's a distance. Maybe this isn't right over there. But it looks very, very small compared to this and this. I don't know. I'm assuming this is an interior or an environment, and then we have the drapery that you've done here for the valance. And I've got to tell you that working on the valance is getting better. The drapery is better. Still not there yet. I'm seeing things like this line and this line. You start to blend right here, and that almost gives me the feeling of a little curve in that cloth, and here too. But then you kind of back off and outline it, and that kind of makes it very harsh. Um, Nice clean lines, lots more shading. Let's look at the perspective on this pan for an example. You've got a nice ellipse going on right here. This same curve that you're seeing here ought to be visible right here to make that look. And this looks like it's falling right off of the counter. This counter probably ought to come this way and ought to be this way. And this angle should somehow convince me that it's going to a vanishing point somewhere that is also related to these angles. So however, that works out. Now, remember we talked about sighting, and a good way to do this is if you'll lay your pencil across here, then you can see what that angle is right in there, and sometimes that helps get this about right. And the same would work here. I can almost guarantee, though, this is going to be a lot flatter, probably less visible right here than what you've got. And I can't help but think that this is going to be a lot larger. I don't know because I'm not there in your kitchen, but that would be my guess from where I am. Okay? Thanks very much.